Does estate planning make you uncomfortable? You are not alone. It is a subject that no one wants to think about, yet a well-planned estate saves hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars. So depending on the decision you make, the legacy you leave, and how you organize your estate. I am Kimmy Rolph, and I am a downsizing expert who handles the real estate aspect of your estate planning. And there are some of the most frequently asked questions that we get on the main line when it comes to estate planning. So number one, first, what exactly is estate planning? So most simply, it is the creation of legally binding documents and directives that accomplish your end of life wishes. So next, what is a great estate plan? A great estate plan is optimized by an expert probate and estate lawyer and a realtor to avoid pitfalls that can unnecessarily cost you or your loved ones money and a lot of heartache. So then, of course, what does an estate plan cost? An estate planning lawyer will either be paid hourly or could have a retainer, and the average rate on the main lines PA is, it could be $1,500 on the low end and up depending on how complicated it could be. So the expertise from a realtor is only paid on commissions. So beware of realtors who seek to be paid in advance. So lastly, who needs an estate plan and what documents do I need to start? Anyone who has anything can use an estate plan. So you can start an estate plan at any time of life as well. So on the main line, where there are complexes of trusts and assets, we see estate planning get very difficult and it can be very complex. So if you're new to this, here are some basic options. You will be creating your will and your living will, as well deciding whether specific options like establishing various types of trusts may be right for you and your unique financial situation and your family structure. So most of what estate plans ensure is that your loved ones have a clear directives and your wishes are followed. It's better to be prepared than to leave loved ones with lots of taxes and unfair burdens of distributing your possessions. So are you looking for guidance on how to downsize or to estate plan? I am happy to help, so let's take this next step together. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local area.